Good morning, students of Standard 12. Today we are going to discuss topic transcription unit from chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance. Transcription unit. It is a specific part of DNA which carries genetic information from DNA strand to RNA. So students, transcription unit can be followed as a specific part of the DNA which has certain genetical information which needs to be carried away from the DNA strand to the RNA. So students, let's understand the concept of transcription unit from the picture. So students, here the transcription unit comprises of the promoter, the second, the structural genes, and the third, the terminator, which is the termination site. So students, the promoter generally remains on the 5-minute end of the DNA, whereas the terminator generally remains present on the 3-minute end of the DNA strand. And students, it is the information which is genetically present in the DNA and has to be carried from this DNA to the mRNA or simply RNA. It comprises of following parts: promoter, structural genes, and terminator. So students, the transcription unit has the following three very important parts, which are the promoter, the structural gene, and the terminator. Now students, we can understand these three terms with the help of this picture. So students, if you concentrate on this picture, then you will be able to notice that a strand of the DNA has three different parts in the transcription unit. Now students, here we can easily notice the promoter, the transcription, and the terminator. So students, these three parts are present on the DNA. which forms the transcription unit. Promoter, it is a specific DNA sequence where RNA polymerase binds. So students, promoter actually is a specific DNA sequence where RNA polymerase will bind. So students, this whole, if you concentrate here, is the transcription unit, where you can easily find the promoter where the RNA polymerase will bind. Students, RNA polymerase is binding to the promoter so that the DNA is able to form mRNA or simply RNA. So that is why here in the promoter region RNA polymerase binds. Okay students. Structural gene. It is a group of specific genes which comprises of gene Z, Y and A. So students, in the structural genes there are presence of three different types of genes, which are gene Z, gene Y and gene A. So students, these all three genes remain present in the structural gene, which is this region students. In this region all the three genes remains present, that is gene Z, gene Y and gene A. Gene Z, it is a particular gene which synthesizes enzyme galactosidase. So students, gene Z is an integral component of the structural gene which remains present on the DNA. So students, if we concentrate on this picture, we can easily understand the presence of gene Z, which is forming the lac operon and is the structural gene of lac operon, and the main function of which is to synthesize enzyme galactosidase. So students, this strand is the DNA strand on which the gene Z remains present and forms the enzyme galactosidase. Gene Y, it is a part of structural gene present in DNA which synthesizes a protein known as permease. So students, gene Y is the part of structural gene which remains present in the DNA and which further synthesizes a protein known as permease. So students, if you concentrate on this picture, you will be able to find the Z gene and the Y gene. So students, this is the Y gene which remains present on the DNA. So students, this whole strand is the strand of DNA on which Y gene remains present and which forms a specific protein called as permease protein. Gene A is a part of structural gene which produces trans acetylase. So students, gene A is a specific part of the structural gene which produces trans acetylase. So students, we can easily understand the function of the gene A, which is the part of the structural gene of lac operon which produces trans acetylase. Terminator. It is the part of transcription unit which stops the presence of transcription. So students, terminator is the last part of the transcription unit, and the main function of which is to inhibit, that is stop, the process of transcription. So students, here in this picture we can easily notice the presence of terminator. Now students, terminator generally remains present on the 3-minute end, which you can see here on the strand of DNA, and the main function of which is to stop the protein synthesis. Students, let's discuss an important question. What is the function of permease in structural gene? Permease increases the permeability of lactose across cell membrane. Thank you, students.